NZXT has released a new premium mechanical keyboard and mouse. Bonus, the keyboard is customizable via NZXT build service. This is the NZXT Function keyboard, and I got the tenkeyless version. They're released in full size, also one called Mini TKL. You can also spec out an accessory cable. I went with the red one. Nice little bonus, you get the magnetic wrist rest. This is the Lift mouse. It's light, so it's easy to lift. The thing that I find most impressive is the cable. It's really flexible. The Function keyboards use Gatoron switches with optional premium Gatoron Alias switches. On this keyboard right here, I went with the Alias Silent Tactiles. It is quiet. Now for a quick test on the keyboard. I really dig the feel of the keyboard and how quiet these switches are, especially compared to my EVGA Z15. If there's anything I'd like to improve on the keyboard, is for the keycaps to be see-through, but I want the letters to light up too. Overall, I feel that NZXT did a pretty good job at releasing a premium mechanical keyboard on their first try. And the mouse too.